Hey guys, so the brand new AirPods Max are officially released. What's up guys, anybody's help here, and I guess you could say happy AirPods Max day, right? Apple today released this brand new product. It is sold out as of the filming of this video. There's some stock in stores, so you may want to check if you want to pick one of these up. Now these have been causing somewhat of a controversy because of the price. These are $549 plus tax, of course. They come in 5 different colors: space gray, silver, green, sky blue, which is the one that you see here, and a pink sort of reddish as well. So of course in this video we're going to go unbox the brand new AirPods Max. Now let's go ahead and take a look around the box. You see there the Apple logo. At the bottom, just information, serial number, Apple logo again. On the top you get the AirPods Max. On the back we have the actual AirPods inside of the smart case. So these do come with the case inside. And that's pretty much it. So there should be a tab somewhere around here to open these. So there it is. Let's go ahead and open these here. And let's see what comes inside. So let's go ahead and rip this open. Okay, so here we go. The AirPods Max. This is the sky blue color, as I mentioned. Let's go ahead and take a look. And here we go. So the blue looks very similar to the blue on the iPhone 12, at least this blue up top here with the meshes. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box. We'll take a look at that here in just a few seconds. There they are. And inside we have some documentation, and that's pretty much it. Designed by Apple in California. Some information, instructions on how to use them, what the case has to offer. The smart case does set these in ultra low power saving mode so that their battery will last even longer. You can read more upon that. Links will be in the description for more information. And then you get a lightning to USB-C cable. So there it is. That's what comes inside the box, and it's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual AirPods Max. Now the name is something I don't get used to. I would prefer Apple call these the AirPods Pro Max, but I guess the AirPods Max is the name that Apple went with. Now here's the magnetic case. It is magnetically attachable to the AirPods. There we go. Let's go ahead and remove the covering. There it is. And let's take a look at the AirPods themselves. Now the case feels like the Smart Folio case. So the Smart Folio case for iPads, if you had one of those before, that's what that feels like. The blue is really a really nice color. Now the actual cuffs themselves remind me of the blue of the iPad Air. Let me go get my iPad Air. So here is the iPad Air. As you can see there, that is the same blue as iPad Air, but then up top here is the same blue as iPhone 12. So they went with both colors there. And let's go ahead and take a look at the other side. You can see there that my iPhone is already looking to pair with these. So let's go ahead and remove these little plastic from the inside. You can buy separate or additional cuffs right here for $69.99. These are expensive. And I think what Apple is trying to do here is bring a premium product down to a consumer level, I guess you can say. I don't think of this product being a consumer product expensive, but rather an expensive product being brought down to a consumer level, because there's headphones that cost $1,000, $2,000. They have really awesome features. I'm not sure, I can't really talk much about the features and how everything is put together with these because I just got them, but I think what Apple is doing here is bringing a higher end professional grade headphone to a consumer level or a consumable level. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look here. And on the top, we have a digital crown, just like the Apple Watch. If you press it once, press and hold, you can invoke Siri. You press 1 for playing and pause music. Press twice for going forward on a track. Press 3 times for going backwards. And then you can turn it just like on the Apple Watch for the volume up and down. Here is the noise cancellation / transparency mode button. And this one has 9 microphones. Of course, this has high fidelity audio, which is one of the new features on 14.3 with the iPhone. We'll set them up here in a few seconds. It also has the latest bells and whistles. Of course, this has Apple's spatial audio, noise cancellation, transparency mode, of course. And here they are. This is what they look like. Now, in order to make these adjustable, this hinge here sort of goes up and down, as you see right here. Feels very premium, by the way. Obviously, it just feels like these are very, very sturdy. They have this movement on the hinges right here, so you can actually kind of move them around just like so. And this is aluminum, by the way. Now these cuffs you can replace, as I mentioned, you can take them out just like that. You can take a look in there, see what the cuffs look like, or the actual speakers look like without the cuffs. There it is. And you can swap them out for different colors. So I do have another pair here that I was just testing before the video. I have a black pair as well. And if we remove these cuffs right here, we can place them on this one and get sort of a really cool combination going on there. Pair these up, and as we pair them up, you'll see that you get some instructions on how they work, what each button will do. You have the noise cancellation, transparency mode, etc. You can use the digital crown for different things. As I mentioned, press it once for forward on the track, twice or 3 times for backwards on the track, press and hold for Siri. You get this really cool animation and tutorials once you set them up. You can put them on your ears. You have the spatial audio. Let's not set it up right now. And that's pretty much it. You can control this from Control Center once you have them on your ears. Let's go ahead and place them on my ear. And there we go. Now, if I'm speaking a little loud, excuse me, but I just really can't hear anything. Noise cancellation is on. Let's go ahead and turn that off. So here we go. There it is. And that is pretty much a quick unboxing of Apple's brand new AirPods Max. There is the bottom for the lightning connection. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to test these out. Let me know what you think about this color. Do you prefer blue or black? Which one looks better to you? By the way, this mesh on top here, this little mesh here on top, is very similar to what we find on the first generation HomePods. So it feels sort of like that material, if you will. So there you guys have it. That is a quick unboxing of Apple's brand new AirPods Max. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.